Hi guys, this is Paige with Jazzy Jaguars, and this is our Unit 2 project. So I'll just kind of run through the certain things on our rubric. We decided to do the inventory prompt, and so first up on our first block up here, we introduce how to use our code, and this is our link to our external file, and then just some more information about participation and our names. And then next, we have an if statement here in our first code block called inventory list and functions. And it's in our function inventory editor, where we use an if statement to figure out what they want to do with our dictionary. And also in this first code block, in this function, we create and write in a file. And then we also use a while loop in this function to determine what the user wants to do. Next, we can show you how we used numeric and string variables. So as you can see in our add item function, we use an integer data type to change our input into an integer from a string. And then also up here in our remove function, it asks what item we would like to remove, and any input becomes a string. So that is our string variables. Next, up here, we also define an empty dictionary that is then filled when we use our functions and call them. And then also all throughout both of our code blocks, we have comments to help you guys see what we're doing. So, yeah.
Hello, this is Seth with the Jazzy Jaguars, and I'll tell you about the other items in the rubric. So, for using at least 3 functions, here we have a remove item function, an add item function, and a show inventory function. Very useful. In several of these functions, we used input statements such as remove, input, what item would you like to remove, add equals input, what do you want to add. In the various code cells, we used markdowns such as inventory list and functions, as well as inventory editor, where we separated the code to define the entire function, and then the inventory editor to call the function. We created a graph. You can see here's a wonderful graph right here. I think we completed the prompt. We are creating the video as we speak, and we all participated.
Hi guys, this is Paige again, just saying what I learned from this. One of the things I learned is how to churn a dictionary into a graph by using this code right here to change our inventory keys into the X values and our inventory values to the Y values. And that was pretty cool to learn.
Hey, this is Seth, and what I learned was that it was better to create and use a dictionary throughout most of our code, and then at the end, upload our dictionary to our file, making it much cleaner looking. This is everything. I hope you liked the video.